Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the clock app and tapping timer. This is the quickest path to a sleep timer. Once done, set up the audio you plan to stop. Play your song or podcast so you can test immediately. Next, tap when timer ends to choose the action that runs when time's up. This step ties the timer to behavior rather than just an alert, which is why it's essential to use the When Timer Ends option now. Once you're in When Timer Ends, scroll to and select Stop Playing. This tells the timer to halt audio instead of sounding an alarm. Then set the duration precisely with the hours and minutes dials, shorter for naps, longer for full sleep cycles, because timing controls when playback stops. After you tap Start, the timer runs in the background and will stop audio from the music app, podcasts, and many third-party players when it finishes. Make sure playback is active so you can verify it works. To finish, confirm the timer displays remaining time and leave your device locked or playing in the background. The timer will still run. If you need to stop the timer early, open clock and tap pause or cancel. You can also ask Siri to set a sleep timer hands-free, which is handy in the dark. If you don't see Stop Playing in When Timer Ends, make sure iOS is up to date. If that fails, use a reputable third-party app as a fallback to get the same sleep timer behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.